Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Honorable Judges. My name is Karim Sofiani from Wali Songo Senior High School, and it is my case building notes. Today, I will appeal to the motion in post-conflict states, example, post-civil war, regime change, and colonialism. This House believes that history textbook should focus on teaching bottom-up historiography rather than top-down historiography. Top-down historiography focuses on the roles of leaders, governments, and major institutions in shaping history, and bottom-up historiography focuses on the roles of ordinary people, social group, and grassroots movement in shaping history. In post-conflict states, top-down historiography is very crucial to keep the country's stability. The first argument is the need for national unity. In post-conflict states, society is usually divided based on group, ethnicity, and faction. Bottom-up historiography that focus on the roles of ordinary people, social groups, and grassroots movement in shaping history, often it's actually open the old one. If every group talk history based on bottom-up point of view, we are just growing in revenge that trigger conflict. The second, building the authority of new state institution. After the war or regime change, usually the public trust to the government of the country are destroyed. And how the country stand up straight if the history textbook just contain operation and failure. The third, to keep the safety of the teachers and students. In post-conflict war, the remaining residue of the conflict is usually still felt. Teach bottom-up historiography that sensitive and emotional will be dangerous to the teacher. The teacher could be charged siding with one of the group by local community figures or parents of the student. Fourth, international standardization and diplomation. New countries need international recognition. History that shaping by top-down historiography that focus on the leaders, government, and major institutions in shaping history. Usually, more in tune with the international agreement. In my main argument to keep the safety of the teachers and the student, it is the important argument because the history textbook that focus at the top-down historiography will give note about the roles of the leaders, government, and major institutions in shaping history. So, the teacher should not the point of view not just by themselves, but by the textbook. But if the historiography textbook that focus on teaching bottom-up historiography, the teacher will can the point of view not just about from the textbook, but it can by themselves. In conclusion, this house must believe that history textbook should focus on the top-down historiography rather than bottom-up historiography, because it will keep the safety of the teachers and the student. In summary, the argument I have presented clearly prove that this motion is not the right choice. For this reason, supporting my argument can lead to better opportunities and improvement in the future. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.